Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the quickest tutorial I have done in a long time. Very basic. I just want to step out, walk my dog, and possibly just go around, get some fresh air, get out of the house. Just did my eyebrows. I am trying to grow this one out to match this one as best as I can. So first things first, per usual, I'm going to massage some moisturizer onto my face. I need to get some new moisturizer as well. If you guys have any recommendations on what moisturizers I should use, my skin is combination dry oily, so just let me know. That way I can see what other products I can use. I've been breaking out really bad. I don't know why. It's not anything that I'm eating, because I've been eating a lot of salad lately. I don't know what else it could be, but I am breaking out. I am losing some weight, which is really nice. I haven't gone to the gym since I had my period, so that's really good that I've been losing weight even though I haven't gone to the gym for almost 2 weeks. But tomorrow, getting right back to the gym as per usual. Okay, so now I'm going to use a concealer. I don't want to go crazy with foundation today. Concealer is where it's at for me today, and a brush to disperse it. When I'm in a rush or I just want to hurry up and get my makeup on and call it a day, I use brushes to spread my concealers. I don't know, I just feel like it's faster for me. Like, I even have like a breakout on my nose. Like, what the fuck? The blush I'm using is the Milani Trio, and this is the number 2 Rose Powder Blush. I love this blush. They work so good, and they look super natural, so that's really nice. So I just use all 3 at the same time, just like mix them all together. I think it gives like that nice natural flushed look. I have to clean my room. Look at that mess behind me. It's so messy. I haven't done shadow eyebrows in so long. It's been forever. I'm gonna use an angled shadow brush. This is a small angled brush from e.l.f. That's what it looks like. Gonna come a little bit closer, so I'm sorry. Don't forget to have also a spoolie with you for whenever you're doing your eyebrows. Wow, this eyebrow has been coming a long way. So I'm just gonna fill them in. Let's use the black. I think the black will look better. Black is from the Glam Bible from KKW Beauty. I've been living by this palette for so long lately. I don't know what's going on. I just really love it. So I wiped down the first eyebrow because the brown was kind of like, I don't know, interfering with the black. So now I'm just gonna comb it through to make them look more natural. Wow, I don't know, it's like been so long since I've done eyeshadow on my eyebrows. I'm not used to it at all. So let me just clean up my brows with a foundation. It's a Tarte Foundsealer, which is perfect for cleaning up the brows, especially if it's your exact same shade of your skin. You're gonna love it. So what I do is I take a little bit and I put it on like a small towel that I usually clean for my makeup, and I get a small, like, I'm not gonna say angled brush, but like a nice round dome shape flat brush. As you can see, it is very flat for the most part. And I'm just going to take a little bit and start to clean up my brows. Usually for a very simple look, I just like to take one eyeshadow and put it all over the lid. So the eyeshadow that I'm using today is from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. And I will be using this brown shade right here. And this is called Tasty. And I'm literally just going to swipe it across my lid, back and forth, all over the lid, on the crease. Again, back and forth. I'm not putting on any foundation today, you guys. I don't feel like it. My Lancome ones were big. This is a very good mascara for people with short lashes like mine. Oh, here we go. See? Big difference. Thanks. THX from Morphe's lip crayons. Yeah, this is perfect. I love these lip crayons. They work so nicely. Kind of want to get all of them. I even got my mom hooked onto them. She loves them so much. Thank you, Morphe, for hooking girls up. Alright guys, so this is my finished makeup look. It took me about 10 minutes to complete this look. I hope you guys liked it. It's very basic. Like, I'm going to tell you, it's very, very basic. You can still see my acne scars. And, you know, my skin is not 100%. But I did not want to put on foundation just to let these acne marks heal. But I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you are a part of my little YouTube family. Also, don't forget to turn on your bell notification. That way you're notified when I have brand new videos up on my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.